Hi everyone, something very exciting has arrived in the post and I've got John here and I thought that we'd unbox it together. Stop it. Yeah, so lovely people on Patreon, you are hearing about this first. Next week is going to be the official launch, but this is exclusively for you. I have opened the box just to take out our home address and stuff like that. But are you ready to see what has been in the works since 2022? I'm actually really nervous. Okay. Here we go. This is the official Sarah Jeffery Hal Leonard Recorder Method. Okay, just be normal.
Be normal. Oh my god, that's so cool.
Oh my gosh.
That. Whoa, get you one. Oh my god, give me one. Wait a second. Is this a Sarah Jeffery Recorder Method?
Yeah.
With Hal Leonard?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, wait a second. Take all my money, please, because I gotta have it now. Here, take my money. I got this money. I got a Dunkin' Donuts sticker. Oh my gosh, 20 euros cash.
I do want that.
Oh.
Back. Okay. Here it is.
Whoa, no way. Let me see.
Wow.
That's super cool.
Okay, now I'm looking at it for the first time.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, look, does it say your name on it?
It says my name on it lots of times. It's got my picture on the back.
Oh my god, they even spelled your name right.
Yeah. So, a few years ago, Hal Leonard, the publishing company, they are the largest sheet music publishers in the world. They got in contact because they have their own range of beginner methods. They have a method for every instrument imaginable, but they did not have a recording method yet. So they asked me if I would want to collaborate with them and be the author of their recorder method. And yeah, great. Yeah, it's taken a good few years. It takes a long time to do this properly, you know. I spent a long time making sure it was pedagogically sound. There was a lot of composition. I composed about a third of the pieces in the book, arranged the rest of the music. We have, well, it's mirrored, over 40 video lessons. So that's a kind of really special thing about this method, is that all of the pages come with video lessons too. Some of them I'm just kind of doing musical stuff with you, guiding you through new techniques. Others are about really specific topics that you'll meet in the book. But I think that's really important. There are more than 200 backing tracks and demo tracks, so that you can play along as well. At some parts in the book there are little concert sections which are slightly longer pieces with accompaniment, and then there's so much music. Wow. I think it was something like 135 pieces of music.
How do you get to see the videos?
Oh, you have to look in your book and go to the website and enter a code.
Cool.
Yeah, and another really cool thing about Hal Leonard is that because they're a huge publisher, they have access to a lot of copyright music that I would not have been able to include if I was doing it on my own, for example. So we have a lot of really popular songs, themes from TV and film.
And film.
TV and film, John, including your favourite, Jurassic Park.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, because I think it's really amazing to play this repertoire. There's also, of course, a lot of early music, baroque music. Wow,
look at this. Sarah Jeffery is one of the world's foremost promoters of the recorder and a passionate champion of music education.
Yes,
a champion.
Yeah, to champion, it's a verb. You can...
No, it says you're the champion.
no, it's to champion.
Champion.
I champion it.
Where's your medal?
I guess that's my master's degree. That's pretty much what it is. You've got a medal for doing this.
I do want my sticker back.
Anyway, yeah, it's very exciting. I can imagine you have questions. There's going to be a lot of Hal Leonard Recorder Method content coming on the internet over the next few days and weeks, but if you have questions, please leave it below. It is for the soprano recorder, can be used with the tenor. It's aimed completely from the beginning. So if you've never done anything with music, this will tell you everything from reading music. But I thought it was really important to base really good recorder technique in it from the beginning. And with the video lessons, it's like having me as a teacher there in the room with you. And even if you're, you know, much more advanced with recorder playing.
Oh, the book is dedicated to me. I didn't know that. Oh, that's neat.
It is. Of course it's dedicated to you and to Bodil. Who's happy. Yeah. Oh, it's so much. Oh, so I'm just taking a second to look at it.
It smells booky.
Oh, it smells real booky. So
It's thick too. It's like
thick and booky. How many pages is it? 80 pages.
Oh my gosh, so many.
And it's got this piece in it.
Oh yeah, cool.
It's got a jazz piece, It Could Happen to You, sung by Chet Baker. And we had this as the first dance at our wedding. Did we? Did we?
No, I don't think so, but...
Oh.
That's
Don't
right.
remember much
It's
about
weird to
it.
hear you call it a piece.
A piece, sorry, yeah, a song, a tune, a musical experience. And next to a folk tune that I composed called Toad in a Molehole.
That was more appropriate for our wedding, I think.
Oh my god. Yeah. We're not going to sing through the whole book. But yeah, oh my gosh, this is so exciting to see and to look at. It's so shiny. Oh, it's got a picture of all my recorders on the back. I had to stand on a really tall stool to take that picture. Wow. Johnny, you're just looking at your stickers.
I thought we were done.
4 years of work. 4 years of work. I'm so happy and excited.
Yeah, that's really, really cool. I'm proud of you. I'm really proud of you.
Last things, there's actually going to be 2 versions. The US version and the British version. So one will have like quarter notes and the other one will have crotchets, for example. And then I think later it's going to be translated into other languages.
Cool, yeah.
Yeah, really cool. That's the great thing about working with a big publisher. They have access to all of these resources, which is really cool. Okay, I'm going to close it here. You're going to hear more about it, but if you've got questions, leave them below. It's going to be released on Thursday, September the 4th.
Whoa.
Yay! Hurrah!